Hi guys, good afternoon. Today I'm going to show you the property. This is a lot for sale. It's along the seafront. So what is this? This is Mongkupa or Tambis. So there is existing uplands. Look at that. And also there is a house, but this house is not it's already damaged from the super typhoon Odette that was during year 2021, 4 years ago. That is super typhoon. So this property is for sale, including that damaged house, and also as you can see there is existing plants, the limoncito and guava. Here there's a guava. Look at that. I guess this is ripe. It's this one. It's nice. So there's a lot of plants. Look at that. And also here there's also a connection of water, and also the electric. There is already connection of electric and also the water. So this is the property, guys. You have the onion, you have the lemon, the plants, the moringa oleifera. Look at that. And here is part also the property. This one, you have the cacao. This is a cacao, guys. And also the banana. And also you have the, this is part also the avocado tree or avocado tree. Look at that, guys. And also you have the pineapple. And also this one. This is my favorite. Look, it's a guayabano. Guayabano, you know what? There's a lot of benefits. Look at that. It's a pineapple. You have also a jackfruit. Look at this one. And also the mango tree, the coconut tree. So that coconut tree is a boundary of the property. And from here, this is the road, right? So as you can see, there is cars parking there. So this is undeveloped, but that's only 30 meters from here going to the, there's a lot of cars parking there. That's a developed road right of way. So anytime you can, this is the road right of way, guys, going to the existing road right of way. So this is the property. So this one, the property is containing the lot area of 1,200 square meter. This is a clean title property. Seafront, this cliffside. Oh, there's a lot of pineapple there, and also the banana. Look at that. So I guess this mango tree is full during the typhoon of Odette. That was a very strong, but still alive. There's a lot of bananas, pineapple. Look, during super typhoon, this mango tree is full because that was very strong, because of the very strong winds of Odette super typhoon. So this coconut is a boundary. So you have a wide of 20 meters wide. Look at that. You have a lots of bananas here. There's a lot of bananas, pineapple, and also the fruits in your backyard. Look at that, guys. See, so this is for sale. You have the coconut tree. Okay, there's a lot of banana. So I show you the seafront area. So this is the backyard side. I'll show you the seafront area, guys. So this is the backyard side. So this house is damaged during the super typhoon of Odette. The roof was falling. So as you can see, it's elevated. So from here, start from here all the way at the back, it's a flat terrain. So you can build here your dream home, your vacation home, your residential home. So by the way, this property is 2 lots available here, owned by 2 siblings. So this one is for sale, and also the other one after that coconut tree, there's also a 1,200 same size, is a rectangular size. So from there at the back all the way going to the cliffside, this is a safe front property, cliffside. So if you are looking mountain view, this one is facing to the Catagbacan seaport. There is a international seaport there in the Catagbacan, that is part of Loon. And also this is a mountain view of Loon area and also Calapi. And this is facing to the small island of Calapi and also to the part of Loon. So you have the sea view, the island view, the mountain view, and you have a direct access to the ocean. If you like to go swim, catching crabs or sea urchin, fishing, swimming, so anytime you have the access. So from here, the terrain going to the seafront is just look like this. It's a semi-slope only. So that's the terrain, guys. And also as you can see, there is a mango tree in the front area. And also there is a papaya, the avocado. And look at that house, damaged during the super typhoon of Odette. So that's why if you like to build, you need to prepare the strong foundation, strong structure. That's the very important, because we don't know if there is a coming again like that, the Odette typhoon. It's a signal number 5. That was a super typhoon. So again, this area, guys, is a 1,200. If you like a bigger lot, if you want a bigger lot, so you can consider the 2 lots, a total of 2,400. So this is a elevated area. You have the ocean view, mountain view, and you have the private access going to the ocean. Look at that. So I'll show you to the seafront. This is a cliffside. You can build here an infinity pool, and you have a nice view. See? Wow, it's nice. And also, it's a quiet and peaceful location. By the way, this area of Sandingan, Island of Loon, it's only 10 minutes to 15 minutes drive going to the public market of proper of Loon, and also to the schools, to the church, to the hospital, to the bank, to the supermarket. So that's only like that, 10 to 15 minutes drive. If you're going to Tubigon Seaport, there is also a mall there and big supermarket, and also seaport in Tubigon. That is like a 30 to 40 minutes drive. If you are going to Tagbilaran City, that is only also the 30 to 40 minutes drive, depending on your driving skills. So again guys, this is the, I'll show you also the safe front area. I guess there is a access there. Okay, let me take you there. Oh, there is no sandbar, it's a rocky, but still the very important, you have the direct access to this ocean. Look at that. Oh my god, be careful. Oh wow. Oh, see, so this is your safe front area. You have a direct access. Look at that. Oh, okay, so maybe I will show you in the aerial view. You can see a lots of view in the area. So see you next video guys. By the way, if you want to know more about the full details of this property, you can see below of this video at the description section. And if you are interested, you can message me directly to my email and also my WhatsApp. I am very happy to assist you guys. Thank you for watching and see you next video. Kanina pa ito umuulan guys. Still the rain is not stopping. So maybe I can't do it the drone view. Maybe next time around I will get a drone shot, because right now is still the rain is non-stop. Oh my goodness. Okay guys, so thank you for watching. Take care always and have a nice day.